The American roads are already filled with SUVs. Well, this isn't surprising, as SUVs offer more comfort, practicality, and in some cases, aggressiveness that many drivers are gearing for. Basically, these SUVs are the ideal blend between a light truck and a sedan. But similar to other vehicles out there, SUVs also require maintenance and repairs. I mean, these are expected occurrences, but wouldn't it be great if the SUV you have doesn't suffer from too many issues? Moreover, wouldn't it be nice if the SUV had inexpensive upkeep? Hello, car aficionados. This is Ted from Carland TV. Here, I compiled a list of high-quality, very reliable SUVs with affordable maintenance costs. These are the vehicles that let you save more money the longer you drive them. Before I start, I would like to ask you the favor of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. Ford Escape. The first one that I am really giddy to recommend is the Ford Escape, specifically the 2015 model. Essentially, this is a 5-seater compact SUV that either comes with a 1.6-liter, 173 horsepower EcoBoost engine, or a 2.5-liter, 168 horsepower engine. By all means, these are good specifications for a small crossover. Right now, the 2015 Ford Escape has a price of roughly $10,000 to $14,000 used market. If you are opting for the brand new 2023 Ford Escape, get ready to spend at least $29,000 for its base model. Either way, estimates suggest that the latest Escape offers the same reliability ratings as its 2015 predecessor. When it was still brand new, the 2015 Ford Escape had an estimated annual maintenance cost of $450 for its 5 years, which is considerably cheap. Once it reaches 10 years, the maintenance cost is about $870 per year. Meanwhile, the reliability score of the Ford Escape is pretty high. And it's not just the 2015 model. Every Ford Escape has high reliability scores. According to RepairPal, these SUVs have an average of 4/5 reliability rating, meaning that the Ford SUV is a dependable lineup of compact crossovers. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the first Toyota in this list, and it is considered the best-selling Toyota SUV in the United States. Many of its model years are reliable, especially if we are talking about the 2014 to 2024 RAV4s. The starting price of the 2024 Toyota RAV4 is about $29,000. It isn't flashy, but similar to its predecessors, it's fuel-efficient, practical, and rugged. Its standard model is equipped with a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine and an 8-speed transmission. The reliability of the Toyota RAV4 is known within the compact crossover segment. For several years, the average reliability score of this particular SUV lineup has been 4.5 from RepairPal. This is already above average and demonstrates the consistency of Toyota RAV4 when it comes to structural integrity and calibration. Matching its great reliability is its low maintenance cost. Its 5-year annual maintenance cost is estimated to be $532. So, for the first 5 years, you are only going to spend roughly $1,500 for its maintenance. The repair probability increases over the year, but the chances of significant issues arising are pretty low. I guess this kind of reliability is a trademark of Toyota. Now, the annual maintenance cost of the RAV4 once it reaches 10 years in your hands is just $1,000. This is still significantly low as you compare it to its competitors. If we are going to sum it up, the 10-year maintenance cost for the RAV4 is only $5,500. It's a steal, as you are getting the most out of the vehicle without pouring all your savings into it. With its agreeable driving demeanor and comfortable interior, owning the RAV4 is a great idea, especially for small families. It also has a decent cargo space to contain your belongings. While the RAV4 isn't known for peppy acceleration, they are still great vehicles for commuting, regardless of whether you are on the concrete tracks or off-road. Mazda CX3. The Mazda CX3 is definitely the smallest Mazda SUV. If you are curious, then yes, the Mazda CX-30 is slightly bigger than the CX-3. In fact, its passenger and cargo space are akin to the subcompact SUVs. Moreover, the CX-30 is a bit more expensive, so for frugal buyers, the Mazda CX-3 is a more appealing choice. The 2021 model year of the CX-3 has just a starting price of $21,900. This is among the most affordable small-sized SUVs you can get right now. It's fuel efficient and comes with an enthusiastic chassis that can handle twirling roads with ease. It is equipped with a 146 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine and offers an upscale cabin and stylish exterior. Based on the data provided by CarEdge, the Mazda only has a 10-year maintenance and repair cost of $17,700. Of course, this figure is particularly low. The affordable price of the SUV and its entry-level upkeep make it an appealing choice for buyers. Needless to say, I can guarantee that this isn't the best subcompact SUV you can get right now. Don't get me wrong, though. This is not a bad SUV. In fact, several reviews from CX3 owners highlighted the vehicle's stability and smooth driving demeanor. They also said that it's a safe SUV to drive in poor conditions. The interior, while not that upscale, offers comfort and support to its passengers. The reliability and low maintenance of the Mazda CX3 are driving forces as to why many buyers are still seeking it. J.D. Power has put a reliability score of 83 over 100 for this SUV. The same high rating for the Mazda CX3 can be seen in RepairPal. It got an unbiased rating of 4.5 out of 5. However, I have to remind you that you need to keep the 2017 model year of the Mazda CX3. It got a bad reputation due to its small cargo space and cramped cabin. On the other hand, the rest of the Mazda CX3, especially the 2019 to 2021 model years, will satisfy you greatly. Toyota 4Runner. One of the finest SUVs you can buy if you are just looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain vehicle is the Toyota 4Runner. Regardless of the model year you buy, the 4Runner is undeniably rugged. After all, it possesses a truck-style design, and this frame hasn't been changed for 10 years or so. Needless to say, its driving demeanor is also similar to a truck. The 2024 model year for this SUV, for example, features upgrades, such as all-terrain tires on its TRD models, an upgraded suspension system, and a locking rear differential. Well, the tech and horsepower of the 4Runner are a little bit behind competitors like the Jeep Wrangler, but it still has its strong points. And that's where the SUV's reliability comes in. According to CarEdge, the estimated maintenance cost for its first 5 years is $457, and it goes to $100 for the succeeding years after it reaches its 10 years. So, in the first 10 years, the 4Runner will cost you roughly up to $6,000 for its maintenance. These figures are one of the best among its categories, and they showcase the quality that permeates the Toyota 4Runner lineup. The overall reliability rating of the Toyota 4Runner is 85/100 on J.D. Power. An equal rating of 4.5 is also given to the 4Runner by the RepairPal. Furthermore, it is indicated that the 4Runner is the most durable among all Toyota vehicles. Aside from its inherent capability to tackle the off-roads, this one has a decent fuel economy. It's not susceptible to significant issues, and thanks to its standard safety tech, passengers are always safe inside the 4Runner. With its high reliability and low maintenance cost, the Toyota 4Runner is a worthy SUV to take home. Honda HR-V. When it comes to reliability and overall performance, the Honda HR-V steals the show. This affordable modern SUV has all that it takes to give your daily commute a refined makeover. I particularly love the 2023 and 2024 models of this vehicle. They sport a cheeky, interior and upscale cabin that you wouldn't expect from vehicles that are priced at $25,000 or so. While it has a rather unimpressive 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine, its road manners are surprisingly sprightly. It is a responsive vehicle packed with good suspension and highly controllable steering. Now, the reliability factor of the Honda HR-V is really high. This entry-level SUV has garnered a perfect 5 out of 5 rating from RepairPal. This means that the vehicle has a solid build and has a low probability of suffering from major mechanical issues. It will not break in the middle of your drive, which also establishes its overall safety ratings. Meanwhile, estimates suggest that the Honda HR-V has an annual repair cost of only $500 during the 5th year of ownership, according to CarEdge. Within 10 years of ownership, its estimated maintenance and repair costs are about $7,000, beating other popular SUVs within its segment by as much as $2,000. The Honda HR-V also flaunts its impressive fuel efficiency. The front-wheel drive models of this SUV have a fuel efficiency rating of 26 miles per gallon in cities and 32 miles per gallon on highways. It's completely possible for the Honda HR-V to cover at least 400 miles with just a single full tank. Hence, for long-distance drives and weekend adventures, this compact SUV can be your perfect companion. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely. Drive safely.